Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP Formula. We have successfully completed the 10 concepts which gives the complete information about SAP SD enterprise structure, which also gives more information about the sales perspective as well as procurement perspective. Also, one video which is very important about the enterprise structure and it's all about the ERP, enterprise resource planning. So these 10 concepts are very important if you want to proceed further. Now in today's class, let us see how we can configure SAP SD enterprise structure in SAP. In last class, we saw what are the data that is required and how we are going to configure this entire structure in SAP. Now let us start configuring. Now this is how the SAP logon looks like. I will double click on this logon. See, why I'm explaining in deep is because there are so many freshers, right, who don't know what is SAP. That is the reason I'm explaining in depth. Now double click on this. Now user ID and password. Why system is asking user ID and password? It is similar to your Netflix. If you want to log into your Netflix, you should have one user ID and password you will pay to the company, right? Similarly, any company which is using SAP has to pay some amount per user to SAP company. Okay, so that is the reason we have this user ID and password. Now password name or password. Okay, one second. Okay, see, I successfully logged in into SAP server. So this is how the SAP server looks like. Okay, now this is SAP easy access. So here usually end users will work. End users will work. Consultants mainly work on SPRO /N SPRO is a T code, or you can directly type SPRO. Okay, and now click on SAP reference IMG. What is IMG? IMG is nothing but implementation guide. Okay, now click on SAP reference IMG. So this is how the SAP SPRO screen looks like, and there's so many divisions. I told you, SAP ERP is a package which involves all the modules like core modules, finance, production, sales, and distribution. Now, if you see here, you can see the finance tab, right? So, finance people work in finance and accounting in this tab. Okay. Now, if you scroll down, you can see the production team. So, this is the production people where they work. We have quality management, we have plant maintenance. Like this, we have so many modules within the same ERP package. Okay, here you can see sales and distribution, our important module. Okay, the sales and distribution we can see here. So like this, we have each and every module in SAP ERP. If it is not there, then they have to buy separately. Okay, now let us start configuring SAP SD enterprise structure. See, now first we have to define what is the company code. What is company code? So company code is organizational unit which represents the company and responsible for all the financial activity that takes place in the company. Now, first is path. First is SPRO IMG. So here you can see that. I'll come one step back. So always you have to go to SPRO, click on SAP reference IMG. After that, what you have to do, you have to go to enterprise structure. Where is enterprise structure? Here is the enterprise structure. Now go to definition. You have to define, right? So that is the reason you have to go to definition. Now you have to go to financial accounting. So usually company code will be created by FI consultant, but in our training we don't have any FI consultants, right? So that is the reason we ourselves are creating company code. Now click on edit, copy, delete, check company code. Double click on this. Now click on edit company code. See, you can see so many company codes have been created in this system because it is a practice server. Okay, it is a practice server which is available in the market. That is the reason we have so many company codes. Now let us create our own new company code. See, here you have many options. Here you have many options. For example, this is change to displays, and this is details, new entries, copy as, this is delete. So like this, we have many options. Now go to new entries. Now the company code. See, like I explained in my previous video, company code is a 4 digit. The company code is 4 digit. It can be numeric. For example, 1234. It can be numeric or it can be alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means how, like A B A D 1 2 like this, or it can be completely alphabetic A B C D. Okay, it is all our choice. Okay, now let us take our company code as 4Z. This is our company code 4Z, and I will tell the company code name. What is the company code name? So I will go to the Excel sheet. So I have already prepared this. Now the company code is triple Z. Now the what is the company code name? For Parva Private Limited. This is the company code. I will copy this. I will paste here. Now what is the city? City I will give Bengaluru. City Bengaluru, country IN. See why it is asking, because it is a physical location. Like I told, the company code is a physical location. That is the reason it is asking. Now currency in India we know it is INR. Now language EN. Language enter. Now save it. See, as soon as you save it, system is asking, for example, name. Same give Parva Private Limited. Search term. Search term also you can give same. You can give like Parva Limited. You can give. Now street. See each and everything it will ask, which street, what is the house number, what is the postal code, city, country, PO box, and what is the telephone number, mobile number, email ID, fax. Each and everything will ask because it is a company code, and company code is a physical location. Now street. Street you can say that. So in our example, in last class we saw that the company code, if the company code is 000, which is in Karnataka, so I will give the region. Region means what? State. Mhm. Okay. State is Karnataka. So here you have, for example, for Karnataka, we have some code. Okay. Okay. First, what I will do, first I will mention what is the country. Now, country give IN. In India, now you search. Okay. System will give all the states which is in only India. Okay, if you give IN, so these are the states which is in India. Now I will select Karnataka. Where is Karnataka? Karnataka is 10. See, these are the standard codes given by the SAP. Okay. Now city. City, what I told, Bengaluru. Bengaluru is a city. And postal code, give some postal code, 560067, some postal code. Street, Marathalli, MARAT, Marathalli. House number 1234 you can give. Okay. So email ID xyz at the rate xyz@gmail.com. You can give like this. Okay. Now click on this. Now system will ask some TR. So these TR I will explain later. But for time being, I will create my own TR. See here you can see create request, right? Click on create request. Short description. What short description you can give? You can give Farva company configuration. You can give like this, enter. See, this is the TR number which is generated. This is a customized TR. Okay, this is a TR that got generated. Now click on this. Now our company code is created. Now one step come back. One step come back. Now click on edit company code data. Go to positions. Now give your company code. See, this is our company code. Now select this. Now click on details. So now these are the details that we have given. Now one important step is here we have address tab. Okay, now click on this address. Now system will show what is the address of this company code. So hope you understood how we can create the company code in SAP. Now one step come back. Now save it. Now, what is the next step? Next step is we have to create sales organization. Correct, right? Now, so who is responsible to create sales organization? SAP SD consultant is responsible to create sales organization. Now, click on the sales organization. Now define sales organization. Now similarly go to new entries. Now give our sales organization code. See here already I have prepared. Now ZZ01 is the sales organization. Give this. And what is the name of the sales organization? Parva Sales Org 1. Now click on this statistical currency. Give currency as INR and factory calendar. So for time being, you give 01. Okay. So this is the warning message you will get. So just click on yes. Now again, this like I told, sales organization is a physical location, right? Now click on this address tab. Now if you click on this address tab, now you can see all these details. Now like I told, in which country it is in? It is in IN, India. Now which region? Region is 10. What is 10? 10 is Karnataka. This sales organization is in Karnataka. Now what is the address? So in our last class, we discussed that the sales organization is also in Marathalli. So I can say that it is also in Marathalli. It is also in Marathalli and give house number as some 1234. Now postal code 560067. Now city Bengaluru. City Bengaluru. Name, same name you can give. Farva Sales Organization and short term also you can give this. Now this information is enough for our practice purpose. Now click on continue. Now save this. Now again check once and again save. See the same TR will get generated. Farva company configuration. Now click on OK. It is saved. Okay. Now like I told earlier in last video, after some days they're opening one more sales organization in Telangana. So let us create one more sales organization in company in Telangana. Okay. Now go to new entries. Now what is the sales organization for this? I will take the code as ZZ2. Okay. ZZ2 is the code for sales organization which is in high tech city. Give statistical currency as INR, factory calendar as 01. Okay. Now click on this address tab. Now mention. So this is in high tech city, right? High tech city, high tech city. Now give country as IN, which is India. Now click on region. So region is Telangana, right? I think Telangana is not defined here. Lakshadweep, we have Andhra Pradesh, we have Telangana. Okay, we have Telangana, which is 37. Now search term. So name you can give same name as Parva Sales or 2. Search term also you can give same. Now this information is enough. Now house number give 1234 or you can give ABCD, some house number. Pending, see all these information the company will provide to the consultants. So consultants has to create all these details as per the company's information. Okay, now save it. Now system will ask us check once again before saving. Now check this. TR will get generated and save this. Data was saved. So till now what we did one company code creation and two sales or creations. Now if you want to check again, click on define sales organization. Now go to positions. We have ZZ01. See, these two sales organization we created. Okay. Now, what is the next step? After sales organization, we have to create distribution channels. Now, close this. Now, in the same path, you have this distribution channel. Okay. Enterprise structure, definition, sales and distribution. Like I told, SAP SD consultant is responsible to create sales organization, distribution channel, sales office, sales group. That is the reason all these information is within the sales and distribution tab. Now double click on this distribution channel. Now define distribution channel. Now I have created this here. See, copy these three distribution channels. Now go to new entries, copy this and Copy this and here. See, the distribution channel is only two digits. See, suppose I will try to enter one more digits. Okay, system will not allow. Okay, system will not allow because it is a backend configuration which says that distribution channel has to be only two digits. Okay, now we have three distribution channels. What is distribution channel? It is a method of selling goods to end customers. Now, who are end customers? ZW. W means wholesalers. ZX, which are dealers, and ZY is institutional sales. So in our configuration, we have three distribution channels. Now save this. Okay. So we have created three distribution channels. Now what is the next step? Next step is we have to create division. So in last class we discussed after distribution channel we have to create division. What is division? Division is nothing but range of products. Now create division. Go to material management and go to logistic general. You have to go to logistic general, enterprise structure, definition, logistic general. Why this division is in logistic general? Because what is division? Division is nothing but range of products, right? So these products will be used across all the modules, like production planning team will use, finance team will use, SAP SD consultants will use. So these materials will be used by across all the departments. That is the reason we have to define the division in logistic general. Now double click on define, copy, delete, check division. Now double click on this. Now double click on define division. Now go to new entries. Like I told, division is also two digits. Okay. In our training, we have three divisions. These are the three divisions and these are the descriptions. So the company will manufacture three set of products. One is healthcare products, home care products, and baby care products. All the products which are related to healthcare will be classified under ZL division, and all the products of home care will be classified under ZM, and all baby care products will be classified under ZN. Okay, now enter. Now save it. Again, system will ask TR. Again, save it. So data was saved. So we have three divisions. Now, what is the next configuration we have? Next, we have sales office. Like we discussed, we have two sales office. One sales office is in Hebbal. One more sales office is in Madhapur. So let us create two sales office in SPRO. Now go to, so same path, okay? Go to sales and distribution. Like I told, SAP SD consultant is responsible to define sales office. That is the reason maintain sales office is in sales and distribution tab. Now double click on this. Now go to new entries. So we have two sales office, right? What is the code? ZZ01. Okay, what is our sales organization? Sales organization is ZZ01. Our sales office is also ZZ01. See, the codes can be same because it is in two different it is in two different tabs, right? So if you go here, I'll come one step back. I'll come one more step back. See, define sales and distribution. It is in this tab. Now maintain sales office is in this tab. For example, you cannot have two same codes within the same tab. Now go to position. This is our sales organization. Now I will select this or else go to new entries. Now click ZZ01. See, system will not allow. An entry already exists with the same key. So system will not allow. So your changes will be lost. Yes. So you got it right. We cannot have the same code more than once in the same tab, but we can have in another tab. Now double click on maintenance sales office, go to new entries. We have ZZ01. Okay. You can give description. What is the description? Farva Sales Office 1. Enter. See, it is asking what to give address everything because it is a physical location, right? So we have to give all the addresses. Now what? So now what is the name of this sales office? Give this sales office. Farva Sales Office 1. Search term also you can give same. Now, like I told, this sales office in our example, what we do, this sales office is in Hebbal. Okay, I will give Hebbal, house number some ANX123. What is the postal code? 560089. Now, what is city? City is in Bengaluru. Now, country IN, region 10. 10 means what? Karnataka. Enter. Now, save this. Again, system will ask TR. Now, let us create one more sales office for Telangana state. Okay, I already prepared here. What is the code? Code is ZZ02 because our sales organization is also ZZ02. See guys, we can have a different code also. Why I have taken the same code? Because it will be easy for me, for us to remember even for the end users who are working in the company. Now copy this ZZ02 and give you a ZZ02. What is the description? Parva sales office. Now click on enter. Now give the name. You can give the same name. Search term also you can give same. So where it is located? It is located in Madhapur. So I will give Madhapur. Madhapur. House number something I have given. Postal code 560. Cities Telang. City Hyderabad. City Hyderabad. India. IN. Region 36. So what is 36? 36 is Telangana, right? Yeah, Telangana. Sorry, Telangana. Yeah, Telangana. Now save this. So we have two sales office now. One sales office is for Bangalore location. One sales office is for Hyderabad location. Okay, let me check this. What exactly I have given for this? Go to go to define check sales organization. Now I want to see what city I have given for this. Click ZZ02. Go inside. Click on address tab. Okay, city. City you can give Hyderabad. You can give Hyderabad and save this. Okay. So now we have created two different sales office. One sales office is for Bangalore and another sales office is for Hyderabad. Now what is the next step? Next step we have sales group. What is sales group? Group of people who work for particular product line. Now here you have this option, right? Maintain sales group. Now double click on this. Now go to new entries. New entries. So what we have here. So these are the sales group we have. Okay. In general. Now copy this. Control C. Control V. So since the company is manufacturing three different products, right? Products, right? Healthcare, home care, and body care. That's the reason we have one sales group for healthcare and another sales group for home care and another sales group for baby care products. Now more than 1,000 people can work under this group and more than 500 people can work under this group and more than 100 people can work under this group. So why this? Because to identify in which group we are working, suppose we have a person, so for him to identify to which product line he is working, this code will help. Okay, if he says I work for ZZ1 sales group, it means that he is working for healthcare products. Okay, so that is the reason we have sales group. Now this sales group will report to sales office. So we successfully created the sales group. Okay. Now this sales group will report to sales office. Sales office will report to sales organization. Now what is the next step? Next step we have plan. Okay. Consultant is responsible to create plant, but since for practice purpose we are only creating the plant in in SAP. Okay. Now what is the path? So same path, go to enterprise structure and logistic general. You can see logistic general tab. No. Now double click on this. Define, copy, delete, check plant. Now double click on this. Now define plant. Now go to new entries. What is our plant? What is the plant code we have? See, we have one plant in Karnataka. So this is our one plant. Now copy this, the description of our plant. You can give name to also the same. Now factory calendar, give 01. See, we assigned factory calendar for sales organization. Now we are assigning the factory calendar for plant also. See, what is factory calendar? See, it is a normal calendar, okay, which specifies that on which day the factory will work and on which day the factory will be on leave. Everything will be controlled by the factory calendar 01. Okay, now click on enter. Now you have address tab here. Because why we have address tab? Because it is a physical location. That is the reason we have address tab. Give the plant name, give the search term name. It is in India. With now state is Karnataka. So for Karnataka state, the state code is 10. Okay. Now, like I told, this plant is in Bommasandra. Is in Bommasandra, city Bengaluru. City Bengaluru. City is in Bengaluru. Now postal code, give some random postal code. Okay, now save it. Okay. Now check again. System is asking that check again before saving. Now click on this check. One TR will generate. TR means transport request. I will explain in detail about transport request. Now see, all this information got filled. Earlier it was blank, right? Now everything got filled here. Now save this. Okay. So see, the code is ZZ01, right? Why ZZ01 I have taken? Because my sales organization is also ZZ01. So for easy understanding, I have taken the same code. Now, another plant we have which is ZZ02. Now copy the code, go to new entries. Now copy the description. Farva plant to Parva. Okay. So it will get copied. So will be give factory calendar 01. Now all these are blank, right? Click on enter. Now go to address tab. So in last class, what we did, the plant is in Gachibowli. Plant is in Gachibowli. Give the name. Give the name. Search term also you can give the same. Country IN. Region 36, which is Telangana. Telangana. So street Gachibowli. So not aware of the spelling. Sorry for that. So Gachibowli and city Hyderabad. City Hyderabad. Postal give, you can give some random postal code. Okay, now save this. See, before saving, system will ask again. Check once again before saving. See, for plant also you can give mobile number and what is the email ID. So each and everything you can give for this also. Now click on this. Now save it. Okay. So now we created two plants, ZZ01 and ZZ02. ZZ01 is for Karnataka plant and ZZ02 is Telangana. Okay, now save this. Now come back. So after creating plant, what we have to do? We have to create storage location. Correct, right? So in our example, after plant, we have storage location. So why we want storage location? Because it will help us to identify where we have to store the material. All the raw, okay, I will first config so that you will get to know the importance of storage location. Now, where you have to create the storage location, go to material management. You have maintain storage location. Okay, go to material management tab. Here you have maintain storage location. Now double click on this maintain storage location. See, like I told, when you're creating sales organization, system by default will ask in which plant you're creating this storage location. Okay, because you're storing the materials in the plant, right? So which is indirectly you're assigning the storage location to the plant. Now what is our plant? ZZ01 is the plant, which is a Karnataka plant. Now click on this. Now go to new entries. Now give the storage location. Now what is our storage location? So we have three different storage locations. Now copy this, enter. See, R means raw material, ZZ1. See, ZZ01, right? So I'm taking ZZ1 because storage location is restricted to 4 digits. That's the reason I've taken ZZ1. R means raw material. S means semi-finished material. F means finished materials. So we have three different storage locations inside the plant ZZ01. Now save this. Now, similarly, we have one more plant which is in Telangana. So let us create that also. Now come back. Now again, double click on maintain storage location. Now, what is the plant code for Telangana? ZZ02. Enter. Now go to new entries. Now, what is the storage location code we have? ZZ2. Why? Because why I've taken ZZ2? Because the plant code is ZZ02. That's the reason. Okay. Now copy this. Enter. Okay, so we have three different storage location within the plant ZZ02. Now save this. Now one step come back. So we have successfully created the storage location. So after this, what we have to create? We have to create shipping point. What is shipping point? It is a point where the goods will be loaded or the goods will be unloaded. Now, this shipping point, it will be somewhere in near the plant only, right? Where is our plant? Our plant is in Bommasandra, Karnataka, Bangalore, Bommasandra. Even the shipping point also should be in Bommasandra. So, in the same path only, after the material management tab, okay, close this tab, you have logistic execution. Now come to logistic execution. Now you can see define copy check plant. Now again click on define plant. Now go to new entries. What is our shipping point? Our shipping point is Z1M1. Copy this shipping point. This is our shipping point. What is Z1MA? Z1 to identify it is Karnataka plant because the plant code is ZZ01, right? So Z1 means I can say it is a Karnataka plant. MA means manual shipping point. Now copy this. Assign factory calendar 01. See, we have assigned the factory calendar in three places: sales organization, plant, and shipping point. It's an interview question. Okay, it's an interview question. Like I told, shipping point is also physical location, right? Now we have address tab here. Click on this. Now give the name of the shipping point, manual shipping point. Give search term. This shipping point is in India, situated in Karnataka state. For Karnataka, the code is 10. And where exactly it is located? Bommasandra. It is located in Bommasandra. City is Bengaluru. City is Bengaluru. Postal code, you can give some random postal code for time being. Enter. Now save this. Okay. You have saved. So generate one TR. Okay. Now one step come back. Now again go. See what you can do is you can copy this. Okay. You can click on this. Click on copy as. Click on copy as. Now what you can do is after clicking on copy as, change the code. What is the second code we have? We have Z1A1. So Z1A1. And what is this? Automatic shipping point. Now delete this, control V, enter. Now change this, control V. So change this description, change this. Okay. So these detail will remain same. Okay. Now, okay. And save it. See, this is the functionality of copy as when you have to create more than one shipping point in the same location, you can go for copy as. Now click on this, click on copy as. Now change the code. What is the third shipping point we have? Z1 IM. IM means immediate shipping point. Okay. Now give the code IM. Now what is the description? Immediate shipping point in plant ZZ01. Okay. Control V, enter. So you can change this description. You can change this description. Change the description, enter, and save it. So you have three different shipping points in Karnataka plant, which is in Bommasandra. Now again, we have one more shipping point in Telangana. Now as per our example, we have three shipping points. So Z2, which will identify it is a Telangana plant. Control V, Control C, Control V, factory calendar 01. Now go to address tab. Like I told in which, okay, give the name, give the name, give the search term, house and field. So it is, this is situated where in Gachibowli, right? The plant is in Gachibowli. So shipping point also should be in Gachibowli. So street you can give Gachibowli and postal code, some random postal code. IN is in Telangana 36. Now you can give city as Hyderabad. Save it. Save it. Okay, we created one shipping point. So we have to create one more shipping point. Select this, click on copy as. What is the code we have? Z2A2. Z2A2. Now copy the description. See, the factory calendar got copied. Now, what is the name? Give the name of this shipping point. This shipping point is in Telangana, which is in Kukatpalli. So you can give like this Gachibowli. So all this information remains the same. Now check, save this. Now come back. Okay, we have to create one more shipping point, right? So go to what was our last shipping point? Z2A2 was our last shipping point. There was a error in copying this. So this was our last shipping point. Now select the same shipping point and click on copy as. Now see, system will not allow to save. Why? Because we already have this code, right? So system will not allow to save. So now change the code Z2IM. What is Z2IM? Z2IM is nothing but immediate shipping point. Delete this, copy the description. Oh, sorry. Control Z, Control C, Control V. Enter. Now change the name of this. Control V. Change this. So this remains same in Gachibowli, Hyderabad. Postal code, time zone is India. Region is 36. If you want, you can fill all this if the company provides you the data. Now save this. Okay. So we are done with creating enterprise structure in SAP SD. Okay. This is our complete enterprise structure. Hope you got it right. So see, and also one more thing. So these are the T codes. These are the T codes where we can directly navigate. See what we did here. We went to SPRO. We went to SPRO, SAP reference IMG. We went to enterprise structure. We went to definition. In definition, we have finance team will create here, controlling team, logistic general, sales team, material management team, logistic LE team, plant maintenance team, HR team. We have all these we have. Now to create company code, we went again, we clicked this and again we went to edit check company code. It's a long process, right? So what we can do is we have direct T codes. Okay, we have direct T codes. For example, to create company code, this is a transaction code. Z, okay, this is a transaction code. Enter. See, this is the company code data. So what was our company code? ZZZZ. So this was our company code. Like this, you can go to new entries and you can create one new company code directly without navigating in SPRO path. Now, similarly, slash n. See, remember this transaction slash n. What is slash n? Slash n means the functionality of slash n is simple. It will close the current session. So this is the current session, right? Now if I press slash n, see that is gone. Okay. And what is our next transaction code to create sales organization? So this is the next transaction to create sales organization. Control V. See, change view sales organization. You can go to new entries and you can create your sales organization. Now, if I press slash n, this session will go and it will open a new session, right? Now, if I press slash o, see, I'm pressing slash o. See what is happening? Generate. See what is happening? It is creating one new session without closing the previous session. So the previous session is still open. It is not closed and it has opened one new session. So this is the functionality of slash n and slash o. Now if I enter slash n, see it is gone. So this is the functionality of slash n and slash o. So now what you got to know. So we have direct transaction codes to create this complete enterprise structure in SAP. Okay. So here you can see who is the person responsible. Finance person, SDMM. So like this, I've given the complete information. And if you scroll down, so this is the path. This is the path to define company code, sales org, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group, define plan, define storage location, shipping point. Okay, these are the tables. Now we have something very, very important, a table and fields. Okay, what is table and fields? Let us see. Now go to SC16N. Remember this transaction, very, very important transaction. Go to SC16N, click enter. Now you can see table. Now, what is the table I have mentioned for define company code? So table is T001. Now copy this T001, click on T001, enter. Now, what was our company code? See here you have all the fields, okay? Now, what was our company code? ZZZZ was our company code. Now, click on execute. Here you can see the option execute. Now, click on execute. See, this report will give the details of all the data related to this company code. See, what is the company code name, in which city it is, country, currency, language, address. So all the information will be stored in this table. Okay. Since we filled only few details, that is the reason you can see only these details. So remember this table and field. For company code, it is BURKS. Burks is the technical name and this is the table T001. Okay. Now for sales organization, what was our sales organization? Now copy this table TVK0. Now copy here, enter. Okay. And what was our sales organization? ZZ01 and two value, from value and two value, ZZ02. So these two sales organization we created in SAP. Now click on enter. See, it will give the information. Suppose if we have more than 100 sales organization with one report, so this is a report. See, ABAP team is responsible to create this report. So with this information we can know what is the currency, address, and what is the sales organization calendar, factory calendar 01. So all these information, what is the name, so all this information you can track. Okay, like this we will have table and field for everything. And this transaction is very, very important for functional consultants, SE16N. So here you have to enter what is a table. Okay. So similarly, we have for all the organizational units. Okay. For division, so this is the table and field. For sales office, this is the table and field name. And for define sales group, so this is the table and field name. And define plant. So this is also very, very important. Now copy this and copy here in the field. Now what is our plant? ZZ01 and ZZ02 is our plant. Now click on execute. So listing output. So it is loading. So it is loading. Let us wait for some time. See, this is the information of the plant. See, here also you can see the description T001W. It gives the information about the plants or branches. Okay. ZZ01, what is the name, one, name, two, house number, postal code, city, in country, region, address. All these information will be stored in this table. Okay. So hope you got idea how we can track all the reports and all. Okay. Similarly, we have for storage location, for shipping point also we have. So this is the complete information about the say about the SAP SD enterprise structure creation and what are the tables and fields and which consultant is responsible. So in next class, let us see the other organizational units like a company, credit control area, controlling area, purchase organization, business area, and what are the important fields that we have to see in the organization structure. Let us see. Okay. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please raise your question in comment box. If you haven't subscribed my channel, I request you to subscribe my channel because this will help you to get the notification of my upcoming video. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Bye.